Can XRP pivot and print some more green candlesticks? I've got bullish news to share with you, along with other indicators out there telling us that the market is ready to roar. That's right, not just cryptos, but stocks. MicroStrategy, yeah, they're crazy AF, but it's working, along with XRP price talk.
Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
Well, happy Monday, crypto and Web3 fans. The market's looking juicy. Will it keep going? Will we have a pullback in, shenanigans to report? But before we get into that, your comments come first. Hot, spicy, naughty, relevant. Maybe I'll share it at the beginning of the next video. Some concerns I gotta share with you. Jordan Blackwell starts off, says, all you think about is winning and losing. You will never see the goal. This is about helping people around the world, not making more rich people. XRP won't win if that's the goal, to get rich. We are taking down the cabal, not making new one. Who the fuck is into XRP to take down the cabal? You're into XRP to make insane freaking money. Yes, the goal is about winning. The goal is about putting money into something and having more zeros when you're done. If your goal is to change the world, to do philanthropy shit, then get the fuck out of crypto, donate to Greenpeace. Crypto is about making money. But I guess some people get rich on dev news. Mr. Poopy Pants continues, if it pads the bank account. Really, bro? Yeah, seriously, why the fuck else is everyone into something so risky? You're into something so risky to make big money on it. Otherwise, if you're in it to help people, donate to the Salvation Army, Red Cross. Then you won't lose the money, you'll just be donating it. I guess I just don't understand. It's like people are defending poor performance. No, you're into crypto to get fucking paid to get laid. Bitcoin, new all-time highs. Bitcoin's sitting at 84,185. While ETH is at 32.54. Sol at 220. Sui at 328. Doge at 31 cents, maintaining its move. BNB holding. XRP holding as well. ADA, gotta talk about that here soon. Aptos making a healthy move too, up 10%. XLM at the 11 cent mark, going sideways. Now, I said one of the things that I track to see if the market is starting to roar is the Russell 2000. That's the stock market, risky, small cap stuff. So if traditional finance, the risky stuff over there starts roaring, you know crypto's going to be roaring as well. The Russell 2000 rockets as the Trump trade continues. BTC breaking new all-time high records. The U.S. bond market will be closed for Veterans Day, but the stock markets will be open. And yes, the Russell 2000 futures are up and already gaining 8% over the week. So yes, even your boring stock stuff like your Russell 2000, the risky stuff, that's moving. Why Cardano's ADA may struggle to maintain the 60-cent level. Cardano's price has risen to a 7-month high during Sunday's trading session. The altcoin rallied by over 30%, outperforming BTC and others. In fact, we saw its price higher than XRP, and it's higher than XRP this morning. On a November 9th X podcast, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson announced his commitment to supporting U.S. crypto policies. This is what Charles said. I'm going to be spending quite a bit of time working with lawmakers in Washington, D.C. to help foster and facilitate with other key leaders in the industry with the crypto policy. Now, mind you, rumors have floated about Charles working with Trump. Here's the thing. I have not found one single article, one single source, one single mention from the Trump group regarding Hodgkinson. It appears Charles made this shit up himself because it is unverifiable. So in terms of ADA continuing their performance, unless we hear something directly from Trump, I really fear that this is all just another big nothing burger, a big bullshit fest. It would be like me saying, you know what? Ever since the Republicans did the win in the presidency, I'm going to be spending more time in D.C. covering crypto, working with big leaders out there like Trump, like Garlinghouse. And I could say it, and if no one substantiates it, then it might all just be bullshit. So be very careful with the ADA pump, because honestly, if Charles isn't working with Trump or isn't working in D.C., yeah, you got a big nothing burger. Pumps and dumps, but hey, make the money, sell that shit, add some zeros, pad your bank account, that's right, if it pads the bank account. Yeah, because why the fuck else are you into risky shit? Again, if you want to donate to some world cause, just donate the money. Don't put it into crypto. That's just so fucking crazy. Dogecoin soars 150%, overtakes XRP and USD, becomes the largest sixth largest crypto cap with 42 billion. The rise follows a broader market rally with many assets, including BTC, ETH, and other memes hitting highs not seen in months. New funds from institutional and retail has been the key driver behind the surge, and you will see more and more funds from the sidelines come in as we get more clarity on the direction that we're going with a country, right? We're going to see what Trump's looking at, who he starts appointing for his advisors, his cabinet, and so forth. Once considered a $40 billion joke project, Dogecoin has seen substantial inflows over the past day, placing among the biggest gainers. Same thing with Doge. Why are you into Doge? To make money. Is this about, meme culture? No, you want to make money. Why are meme coins so big? To make money. Why does everyone say, wait until the alts start roaring? Because they're about utility coins making money. So again, I don't understand where people are like, bro, this isn't about winning and losing. It is. It's all about making money. How do we start our videos? Obviously with your comments, because yes, you, the viewer, matter most. But what's the first thing we do after that? We talk price. What's the first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning? I look at price on my phone. What do you do in the morning? Do you go, I'm so glad I just spent $1,000 on this to fight the cabal. I want to fight the evil overlords in the Middle East. Damn, people are fucking dumb as hell. What's not dumb? MicroStrategy. Now, for real, this dude was buying BTC at 60,000 only a few weeks ago. And people are like, yo, he's buying at the tip. He's going to get rocked. Girlfriend, because now BTC is at 83,007. Let's continue with MicroStrategy, and then we're going to talk XRP. The acquisition, funded by proceeds from the issuance and sales of stock, is one of the largest purchases by any company in recent months. As of November 10th, they own almost 280,000 BTC, valued over $23 billion. Now, what's Saylor's average? You want to know about doubling your money? I'm sorry. Did I say that Saylor just helped fight the cabal? No, I just told you that Saylor doubled his money. Saylor's average with MicroStrategy is 42,600 per BTC, and right now we're at 83.7. So he has nearly doubled his freaking money. MicroStrategy's strategic approach to BTC has been basically trading off debt for BTC, hoping the BTC outpaces the debt. Interesting strategy, because Saylor has been buying, and saying, you know what, the price is going to keep going up and up and up. We've all thought he's crazy. Well, hell, he still might be freaking crazy, but Saylor is making money. But let me check again. All you think about is winning and losing. You never see the goal. I see the goal because winners cross the finish line. Losers don't. MicroStrategy seems to be a winner in this market. Let's talk XRP price. All right, so we saw the movement yesterday. I did a video last night, and it was right as this was happening right here. Now, luckily, we did get some support right at that 57-cent mark. That is freaking awesome. But now we got to ask ourselves, are we playing the high 50-cent range game? Remember that not too long ago when we were talking about Taurus and we were like, oh man, I don't want to be in that zone. That's the zone we've been in this whole time before the election move. Yeah, up to the election, we're in that mez zone. And I just hope we don't go into that now. Now, volume, juicy AF. $3.5 billion last 24 hours. The volume over the weekend, juicy AF. And what did I tell y'all that I was worried about this weekend? That volume would suck and prices would crash, and we got just the opposite. We got juicy volume that kept going. We got more great news. We got BTC pumping to all-time highs, taking the rest of the market with it. Now, granted, XRP has been a laggard during this. And when we look at XRP and we compare it to BTC, why? Because you always compare yourself to the best. Right? Who out there goes, yeah, I want to see how I compare to last place. I want to see how I compare to the middle of the pack. No, you want to see how you do compared to the best. Compared to BTC, BTC is up 30% for the month. XRP up about 10%. Okay, cool. Let's see how that now compares to ETH. And we're going to start picking some alts, okay? Some more like action. So let's put in some ETH, all right? Because we know ETH has made a healthy run. ETH up 30% as well. XRP at that 10% mark. All right, what about Solana? Sol's been in the news a lot lately. Sol up 50%, XRP 10. Oh, that's not too good. All right, let's go back to Doge. Let's see if Doge and the memes are doing much. Doge up 150%, XRP up 10%. Now, let's compare it to XLM because it's kind of like the closest thing, peer-to-peer versus B2B. And right now, XLM is doubling the gains of XRP. So XRP's move during this, laggard. For real, it has been a laggard. Now, you've got some good news on the horizon. You've got rates coming down. You've also got XRP ETFs, of which now Trump, right, gonna be making some change in the SEC. That looks like you're gonna get that ETF action. But check this out. I got the 15-minute candlestick up on the screen. This is still a very healthy chart. Have there been opportunities to buy here as of late, sub 50 cents? Yeah, you had that on October 25th, and you could have sold over 60. 20% on your money right there in a couple weeks. But the main story is this. XRP pumped twice, and both times was rejected just under 62 cents. First candlestick at 61.87. The second test was at 61.63. Both times failed. Support, though, above 57-cent mark. We're now waiting to see how the market digests the new BTC all-time high, and if money and capital can keep flowing, and if the Trump election pump can keep going. Will it keep going? Let me know down below. So help me out here. Am I being a little too critical with everyone saying that price action is all that matters? Or for real, are some people out there just defending poor performance and somehow equating crypto to fighting the evil of the world? I don't understand that whatsoever, because you can fight the evil of the world without investing into crypto. Hell, that's why it's called investing into crypto, not donating into crypto. What scares me though is the Charles stuff, because for real, I love people making money. I don't care if you make money on crypto. I don't care if you make money on BTC, XLM. I just want you to make money, and I want you to be happy. Happy first, money second, okay? But if the Charles thing proves to be him just blowing smoke, all being hot air, him jerking his own self off, then you are going to have a nasty pullback of 88. And up to this point, and please help me out, if I've made a mistake, let me know. Cite the article down below, cite the sources down below. Let me know if you can find anything substantiating Charles's claim that he's going to be working in DC closely with lawmakers, or is it just BS? Because remember, Charles before was working closely with lawmakers while the Dems were in office. And that didn't do shit with the price, and he also didn't get shit done. But I want to hear from you, though. Am I making a mistake, or is Charles playing the smart game, trying to print some money because it's all about printing money? Oh, that's right. We're not in it to make money. We're in it to fight the cabal. We're in it to donate, to make world change. Well, then get the fuck out of crypto, because crypto is about making money. Crypto is about making 50% gains in 1 week. It's about hodling, right? We talk about hodl mode all the time. Why do you hodl? So you can make big mega money at the end. You don't hodl so you can be like, you know, my donations are helping out. No, you hodl to get paid to get laid. Sadly, though, the world is filled with a bunch of fucking losers. People that don't understand what winning is about and the cost that it takes to win. If Charles has to lie and embellish to pump up 88, then fucking do it. Would you be pissed if Brad did the same thing and all of a sudden pumped XRP up to $1? Hell no. You'd be like, this is freaking awesome. Who gives a shit if it's real or not? We're pumping. And that's the deal. What if all of a sudden China comes out tomorrow and says, you know what? We're buying all the XRP. We're driving the price up to $5 a piece. You'd be like, this is fucking cool. Who gives a shit now what China's doing? I just made tons of money. I'm going to go buy myself a Porsche GT3. Yeah, don't get the GT2. Get the GT3. You'll be happier. So it is about money. It is about winning. We talk about market cap. We talk about price. We talk about potential action, right, with resistance levels and support. We don't talk about, oh, I'm so glad that Ripple's fighting the cabal. Oh, I'm so glad. Fighting the cabal, you mean the same XLM that has been helping to donate money to the Ukraine? Fighting the cabal? People are dumb as fuck. Choo-choo bitches. Thank God I'm on the right side of the IQ bell-shaped curve.